Are you still married to that dentist? Cut your teeth on plate pretend, numb all of it. Baptize your boredom in Chardonnay.
Let your hair down. Oh, so good.
Anyone who knows me will not be surprised that I found surfers in Oregon. Too bad I wasted so much time trying to edit videos and define what I was doing.
If you're a fan of the Goonies, this is the spot in Oregon.
Okay, what the actual fuck? But at least I can laugh at it. I spent a lot of time frustrated because Premiere Pro kept crashing on my laptop. I couldn't get programs to work. And I was trying to figure out how to license music. Anything to avoid what I was actually living through. Aside from the time I spent with my friend, which was wonderful, I did actually write a few articles, and I did my Substack, and I kept up with all of my Instagrams. I had plans. A, B, C. Plans are like lists. They're a great way to distract and not think about what was really happening. Like the fact that my new tenant had already lost the only mailbox key I had and was now asking for a plumber for a toilet that wouldn't stop running.
When visiting Oregon state beaches, don't forget your mosquito repellent. In fact, I keep forgetting bug repellent. I don't know why. I'm bit all over. I have mosquito bites all over me, but it was so worth it. Oh my God, it was so worth it. Absolutely stunning coastline. Oregon has so much beauty. I mean, it's as if Oregon and Washington are competing for who is the more beautiful state. Now, I am partial to Washington because I live there. But Oregon, the Oregon coast, just absolutely stunning.
So I spent days being frustrated with technology, but at least the scenery was beautiful. I recorded a bunch of videos where I'm walking and talking that are dumb. And I did get some miles in.
Feeling good. You're probably getting nauseous from all of the bouncing.
Nehalem State Park was nearby.
The forest is so dense here. I'm like...
It was the first place I've ever seen a horse camp.
Multiple sites across this camp in Nehalem, where you can rent closures. Out and patrol and hit the beach. Horses need the beach too.
Did you see me in the
It ended up one of those moments when nature is so great and so unexpected that the rest of the shit doesn't matter. I wish I had more than some snapshots of Nehalem, but it is a tiny little town, and my instinct is to take photos over video, especially of signage. I love a good sign. But even the breakfast spot, Wanda's, was someplace I was recording incognito on the down low, like a spy. It was definitely one of those cool places where a graphic artist can just find a million things to look at. And then my designer brain flips on and I start wanting to redecorate my back patio. Then I remember I'm broke and I go reread the latest script of the latest project that I might get just in case so that I'm ready. It's a mind fuck. It's exhausting. One of the number one things I'm running away from is that question everyone asks. Have you heard anything? Do you have a job yet? What's next? What's your plan? My plan was to get my car washed. What I didn't expect was that there wouldn't be a car wash, so I had to drive down to Tillamook to get all the bug splats off my car. This meant, of course, I had to stop in Wheeler.
Seeing this sign never gets old. I will take my photo in front of every sign in town that says Wheeler.
Yes, I am a dork. So I proceeded to take selfies in front of every sign with my last name because I thought maybe my brother-in-law would find it funny. And now that we were on a group text, I had someone to entertain besides myself. I decided to stop at the taqueria I found in Rockaway Beach, and it was the best carnitas tacos I've ever had. And that's saying something as an Angelino. It's right here near the Rockaway Community Church. You absolutely have to try this place. It's amazing. You would think one of the best carnitas tacos of my life would warrant a video, but I was too busy thinking about tacos. While I was in Tillamook, I did grocery shopping and also went to get motor oil and all the things that didn't seem cinematic, so of course I wasn't recording anything. But I was trying to figure out how to live like this, trying to scramble and find all of the basic necessities, which of course included stopping at Tillamook and paying more for one scoop of ice cream than an entire quart. But the difference would be that I would eat the entire quart, so there you have it.